Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're creating a Google group now, so open Google Groups and click Create Group. Enter a clear name, pick an email address prefix, and write a short description so members know the purpose. Choose a group type that matches your needs, email list, forum, or collaborative inbox, and set basic permissions for who can view, join, and post. Once done, save the initial settings to generate the group address and move to adding members immediately. Now add members and configure roles. Click Manage Members, then invite members or direct add to paste addresses or upload a CSV. Assign roles deliberately. At least one owner and managers for administration, members for regular posting. Make sure posting and moderation settings match your workflow. Enable moderation for external posts if you expect unknown senders. Once done, review access controls so only intended users can view or post, and test by sending a sample message to the finish by verifying delivery and teaching members how to use the group address. Send a test email and confirm everyone receives it. If not, check spam folders, ask members to whitelist the group, and confirm their account addresses match the group list. If posting fails, review member roles and posting permissions in the group settings and use audit logs to trace errors. If you still hit a wall, reassign an owner temporarily and retry the failing action to isolate permission problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.